Alright, yo, welcome back to the channel. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Now, Remy Ma is on the What You Feel Like rhythm, and you know we had to come over and get that done. If you don't know who Remy Ma is, go check our profile. Remy Ma is one of them people you don't want to get into a rap feud with. She is talented, is lyrical, so let's dive into it.
So it's a banger.
Watch how you talk to me. I'm a mogul, bitch. You getting surgery in exchange for promo, bitch. I'm with gang on a yacht or some YOLO shit.
Alright, first thing first, who's she talking? Who's she talking? Who's she dropping these words for, these bars for?
Dummy on the beat, so it's a banger.
Watch how you talk to me. I'm a mogul, bitch. You getting surgery in exchange for promo, bitch. I'm with gang on a yacht or some YOLO shit. You keep jumping on my dick like a pogo stick. In competition with herself, don't even know that bitch. Hoes be doing the most over so-so dick. I been her since I was wearing Bobos, bitch. You get a bullet through your shirt with a logo whiz. The nerve of niggas claiming that they wrote those hits. When they whole career, they ain't never ghost wrote shit. Not for me or anybody else. You always acting like you helping, nigga. Go help yourself. See, I know what the problem is. I don't really brag enough, but you don't talk about prices when your bag is up. You keep talking numbers, but the numbers ain't adding up. You wanna be a baddie, but you ain't bad enough.
She talk about Sharice and posting of this. Clearly. Cause Sharice want to be a body, but she ain't bad enough for real. If you're gonna be technically honest.
See, I know how to network. How on the network, you know you get money when they Googling your net worth. I'm a motherfucking expert. Now how you talking out your neck when I know how your nigga neck work? I know you really hate my guts, cause you bitches really ugly, can't make this up. They calling me Slim Rim, but my weight is up. They telling me I should wait, nigga, wait for what? The weight is up. Look, it's time. So if you see me with it, bitch, it's mine. When these other bitches rap, it's always just rhymes. When I rap, bitches always...
That flow switch is crazy.
10 dimes, stop playing with me. I got these niggas in the jail really staying with me. I got these niggas in the streets really slaying with me. I got these niggas in the south really hanging with me. I got these niggas in the gangs really banging with me. And what you looking at my shoes for? I swear to God, I know I'm on these bitches' mood boards. I'm in the city pretty, driving something two-door. Nice fit in the feet, giving shoe porn. Listen, if it's tension, how I never get at it, but I always get mentioned. Like how I'm this big hoe, but I never get fucked. See, I might get subbed, but I never get touched. Might blow a little smoke, but it never gets ducked. Got this big ass chain and it never gets tucked. Play hater? Not at all. I don't play those games. You got beef with Rem, bitch, nigga, say my name. Is you shy?
She killed it. With a little dance move at the end too. Look
I
at
don't play
this.
those games. You got beef with Rem, bitch, nigga, say my name. Is you shy?
She killed it. I give it a 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend. Now listen, Remy Ma is one of them people, like I said. Remy Ma gets down, bro. Y'all know Remy Ma went to jail for some shooting shit. You know what I mean? So, Remy Ma one of them people. You can't really mess with Remy Ma and think she's not going to come at you. She's going to come for you. Full send. But I think it's Papoose, his new boxer lady. She's talking for, you know what I mean? I think she had Sharisa. I think Sharisa has a song directed at Remy Ma, some shit like that. And I think Remy Ma's just like, yo, like, what you really trying to do right here? So, like, relax. But I definitely feel like Remy Ma, bro, Sharisa's a freaking boxer, yo. Like, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. You get me? But 10 out of 10, yo. Lyrical content, 10 out of 10. Delivery, 10 out of 10. All the flow, 10 out of 10. Because she switched it up. You know what I mean? So, yeah, yo. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think.